welcome to my kitchen. I'm Rose Oatley, and today I'm going to show you my version of Starbucks Mango Dragonfruit Refresher. Let's get started. To start, grab a shaker and add half cup of ice to it. I prefer using Monin Dragonfruit syrup for that extra burst of flavor. We're going to add half ounce of syrup. You can find links to these items in the description below or in my bio for your convenience. Next, pour in 3/4 cup of mango juice. I like to use this Welch's Mango Twist Juice cocktail. It works great. Add 1 cup of lemonade. These ingredients come together to create a delicious, refreshing base for our drink. Now for the magic touch, freeze-dried dragon fruit. These vibrant purple chunks not only turn your drink purple, but also enhance the flavor profile of your refresher. Add a generous amount to the shaker. If you want a little caffeine kick, you can also add a half teaspoon of green coffee bean extract to your refresher. This will give you that extra energy boost you might be looking for. It's time to shake things up. Vigorously shake the mixture in the shaker to blend all the flavors and ingredients together perfectly, and watch it turn purple. Now grab a glass filled with ice and pour the vibrant mixture into it. Top it off with a few more freeze-dried dragon fruit chunks for that extra visual appeal. And for an added touch of freshness, I like to garnish my drink with some fresh white dragon fruit. Using a melon scoop, simply scoop out some white dragon fruit chunks and add them onto the top of your drink. And there you have it, a beautiful, delicious Mango Dragonfruit Refresher ready to be enjoyed. Cheers. Right on point. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like, tag a friend who may want to make this, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for your support. Oh my gosh, so good. If you haven't already subscribed, please be sure to do so below or hit my little picture on the side. Also, don't forget to hit the little bell to get notified of all of my new videos, and please be sure to check out these links on the side. Share with your friends. Thanks for watching and your support.